Why real estate is the best investment?
Why not? Ito, bigyan kita ng example. Gagawa ka ng business, food industry. To produce a product, you need ingredients. Kapag itong ingredients, tinamaan ng tinatawag natin na inflation rate, of course, magtataas yung price ng ingredients mo. At the same time, you need to increase the price of your product. Kapag yung product mo nagtaas, ang maapektuhan yung market mo. Kapag yung market mo naapektuhan, dito na maapektuhan yung sales mo. Ito, Club Laia Premier District, located at Laia, San Juan, Batangas. Ito ang tinatawag na organized pansol na pinaghalong BGC. Why? Kasi yung mga daanan dito, naka-organize. At nandito na lahat ng kailangan mo. Luxury store, grocery store, mall, hotel, everything that you needed, nandito na. Ang kinagandaan dito, habang wala ka pang tinatayo na structure sa lot mo, you can use all of the amenities. And also, the beach. Meron nga dito isang client ko, bumili siya ng lote. Ginamit niya. Lahat ng amenities, lahat ng pwede niyang ma-enjoy doon sa Club Laia, at the same time yung beach, after 1 year. 1 year niya na hinuhulugan. Installment kasi to. 1 year na hinuhulugan, binenta niya double the price. Imagine, na-enjoy niya yung amenities, tsaka yung beach. At the same time, she has the profit. Kaya ako, biling ko na yan. 300 square meters to 529 square meters available lot. 300 square meters, 11 million, biling ko 10% discount, cash. Imagine, 10% discount. Kakabili mo pa lang, may profit ka na. Yung profit, yung discount. If you're familiar to Cavite to Bataan Beach, 200 to 300% ang itataas ng lot na to. Yung total contract price, lahat ng sakop sa lugar na yun. 200 to 300% ang itataas. Ang kinagandaan pa dito, Landco Pacific Corporation ang developer, which is ang owner si Manny Pangilinan. Investment wise, history, 30 years in the business and prospering now. Kapag investment, I chose properties. Why? It is excluded in inflation rate. It is the safe investment of all around the world. So, tara na. Let's sign your contract.